This video is about how to get data from MyMathLab into StatCrunch and to calculate a correlation coefficient for a linear regression and to come up with the line of best fit. So as we can see in this example, first thing they ask us to create a scatter diagram, but we're interested in calculating the correlation coefficient. So you'll notice it says click here to view the table. So I will click on that icon there and the data table opens. So we can see each of our cities is labeled here on the left. Their mean daily high temperature for January and their mean January precipitation is in the last column. Now I want to get this data into StatCrunch and do my calculations. So if I hover on this icon, it says click to copy table. So if I click, I want to choose open in StatCrunch. When StatCrunch opens, all of our data and information is right there in StatCrunch, including the labels for each of our columns. And we want to calculate the correlation coefficient, so we need to calculate some statistics on this data. So we're going to choose the Stat button, and we're going to go to Regression and Simple Linear. Then it wants to know what we want to choose for the X column, the X variable and the Y variable. So we'll go ahead and make the mean daily high temperature the X coordinate, the X variable, and then we'll make the Y variable the mean precipitation. Once you have those two items chosen, you can go ahead and click Calculate. And the window that opens gives us a couple things. First, we notice here's the correlation coefficient. Also saves us a little bit of time and squares R for us, so we have R squared. It also gives us the equation for the line of best fit. So this gives us the y coordinate, which was the mean January precipitation, or the output, is equal to the y-intercept minus, here's our slope of our line, times our x variable, our input variable. So we're given all of our information. We're given the correlation coefficient, we're given r squared, and we're also given the line of best fit. And if we replaced mean January precipitation with y and mean daily high temperature with x, we'd have a y equals mx plus b sort of format. And that's it.